Kotoko Board Chairman. What's in some nigga?
And some yammy do.
Opinion Casau.
And some yammy the papa.
Say.
Na
Oma mukasa na uti omukasa na to akuma so no.
Yes. Yes.
Uti ne kasa na opanyini na kasa.
Enye players no ho no. O sha ase no se na nko mo ho akwanya so mbetim de Kotoko akọ country bi on person om de ko preseason. But omo he time frame na na ho ahia so omo de omo tena Ghana he ya. E ho na ma me hu se board na ye ready se e ka bia wo so mbo Kotoko ho. No mo sign de Kotoko gina brand no ma ready so mbe yiska e dey ashim obo countries ni bi di mi we so ye betim de makọ Turkey e betim de makọ obo countries be me ensandi but omo head time na na was some de omo tena Ghana because enche league no ase manager pa
no you go the metie and say initially no nanka ombeso mo di team ni ko Morocco
okay
for preseason
na
omo ye omo checks no Sabre na no mbebo a women's cup of nations no ntina ama difficulties abemu kakra
okay
ena omo plan so say nko mbeko Turkey
because me Turkey wo
but omo plan so mbeko Turkey but based on report na the technical director nya na ohwe mu no no hu say say omo scrutinize players no
okay
so the mechana say saade no muntimi nkonkoye ewo Turkey watcho bi take it na de ko uya no waja no kwa ba say bia wa meet standard
enti ye no nya adwuma bi I was saying ka Turkey ni we no that's the last stage of preseason omo ani omo be ye adwuma no but ye nya enyi mu nwie ye ntimi inform nko enti na time ano
de me matene say possible say league ni ko breaker
okay
first round say few days ne ba be dem no
and we are be 2 weeks be
team ni be move outside no mako prepare dia bebo second round no
good news pa good news pa
nti kakra ho no yentie board chairman edema kumase Asante Kotoko owura James Osei Brown aka Joshop abra Asante Kotoko team no ekodum kan na omo ekwakoma players na akwaba no samika yengi kantie menzo de na me boa solo emse menzo kasa no na abete enti bracho nya bote na trans na tie menzo kasa no
menzo on shada anka brofo bebre enti no na
ba ona abete se wona wo de wo teacher ni pen ba wo di teacher pen oni ni da saso o captain wo di teacher pen
we pray for private squad chiribia
wa go pega kra de beto o de beto go ba wi wanye bida na school biwo baso akire ho yakobo kakra wo ha
so yes na on plan chiri bi akira
baso ye be ye hye no je bu awia na ese be asafo ba bia na metie fia na metie bi 72 ante se wa gare ne adua na obaje kakra so na meche no eni koko yentie director of football menzo bacho obotoye brofo kasa nti owia solo e de beba yedi mu ama omo anti ase no omo so etimi ati ase
we know what's expected from us. We only can say we will go with our heart, with all our proud to fulfill the needs from the club, from the fans, as far as we can go. And we're working hard with the staff, with the players, and that's what we can promise. Am I right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, I know you're director of football, so
yeah.
So what
I'm take a crack on the bro for no time be free. I know the basis, so but the person what China say as Kotoko players, any technical team no, they know what is expected of them. Omuni Jumedi no mudi ni di enko for he say Jume do manim. Na omu feel proud so mo ye adwuma no e de ama Asante Kotoko. Na omu be yire omu ho aye de omu be aboa Kotoko, especially to the fans. Enunti no ma ba kra omu be toa preseason so we no busa players and say is a good no say yeah
okay
thank you
over director of football na board ne kofa ne bae no to hwe ne board na utumi say omo match no say share ne so
sir
say when was the last time I do any chada ko jachi
meko wache samineta ko ba
unya daje ochina ne na edi animu kakra safo ni ko adakojache
okay
boom a lot of changes
container project ni de minimum
aside the no kwa boom a lot of changes
okay
say league ni sha say kima oye chitani na okwa adakojache a enye da ye bie dia ma chitafo so mu training ni bia untimi enhwe training ni bi
sene na wo no omo to asia na se omo fa security
league ni started the no matter wo na sia gate da no
yes fine very
gate da no
okay
na on say menzu bae no obehu nnwoma e wo ho no te se eye obesi minka prefab
okay
when snow ade wo mu wie
okay
wo mu nye ni sei training ground so mpese mu nye ni sei na wo board ni shim but oba no sa besi so
and o share
it is speed o mo de ye adwuma wa da ko ja acho no enye speed kitwa yentie bo chairman de so na chechi mo no so bo focus no kan na afu wi ya ja kwan na bafo wa ha sa so na captain siasa wa na makomo na ensema ye owura menzo ene bo chairman de ya yebeti no omo so do madwen kira ba na ewienu a other stories ho no yetimi akọ yentie board chairman Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko oye executive chairman
executive board chairman
James Osei Brown do shop ono so ensema ode to the playing body and afi technical team no anim.
You are most welcome to Accra. We've been thinking taking it outside, probably South Africa, probably Cote d'Ivoire, or Dubai, Turkey, but realize that the time is so short. So let's look at the best that we have in town and realize that this is a fairly new that befits my Kotoko team. That's why we brought you here. I'm here to welcome you on behalf of the board. So you are most welcome. I believe that the team that we have here are the most luckiest team. If you find yourself among the team, you are most lucky. What am I saying? Those that are with us the previous season, you've seen a lot of changes, a lot of new people. We intentionally bring you people far that can help us, to have certain things that we don't have. Discipline, certain tactics and all that can make us better. All these are for you. We are preparing you for a greater future. We all know that the last season, we couldn't get what we wanted. We did the best we could, but the result is not what we wanted. But we are having a new beginning. I want us to forget about the past and let's focus. Let's be determined. Join me with a kind of effort we are building. The board and everyone that is putting in, put the same effort, step by step, each match after each match. But our focus is that every time that we meet, we're going to win. I want you to believe in yourself. I want you to feel encouraged. You have great men behind you. That will give you all the necessary support. You have your technical team that have been with you. They are already in support of what they have been doing, and they are still supporting you. We brought in new coaches to also add up and beef up the strength that we have. Team, let's work together. The board is behind you. We want to bring Kotoko back to the great days. Get there again with you. So feel encouraged and then be proud of yourself that you are part of this squad. But I wish you all the best. At the training pitch, give your best. I think the coach is still doing the selection. So this is not final. Try to get yourself among the list. Do everything. The fact that you've come to Accra does not, ensure that you are part of the team. Do your best to be part of the team. And I want you to see all of you to be part of the team. Thank you so much. And the technical team, so much for the kind of support you've been giving them so far. I've been hearing a lot. Your zeal, your passion, your hard work. I really appreciate. Like I said to the players, let's all join our force together, our strength, the determination together. Let's not lose confidence. Let's not lose hope. I believe that we can achieve the purpose. We can achieve the goal. We will realize that we are giving you all the support that you deserve, and we'll go beyond what you are doing. But I also want you to join me for us to win every match at every given time and bring Kotoko back to where it's supposed to be.
FM 100.7.
Eno board chairman Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko owura James Osei Brown Jushop solo
board
my way
say eni animu ne de kan kire mu say nanka ombetumi de team no atu kwan wabo Cote d'Ivoire wabo South Africa obo Dubai obo Turkey nanka ombetumi de omatu kwan akoba do mo he time frame no ene niam on person mo ya na hu hia say omo de ombe ko enkran na enkran no omo de omo koto ba bia wote wono ma yete say bia wote South Africa na wote Morocco e training ti no de omo akọ bia o kasa kire omo no eno I show pictures of ba bia no omo da no e ho e kama pa na uye player o ka team aba nkran ne ho a uye lucky utia ye se waba ho if we say last season no nipa dodo na na ewom no ebi enka omo ho na eye deliberate attempt omo share that say omo be fan crofo omo free akira aba no ma be sesa niema bi e wo team ni mu de di kan discipline any tactics also kan you
na discipline the battery ma we can say
discipline in the just a capi mu bo ami o say discipline no so we play anka suban e wo say wo da na di wa bra wo si akan na say de suban a suban papa a wo di si akan no enu nti no mo fa enkrofo fufuro free baby di omo baaye na omo board no de wo so omo ye de tie club no any players na chi bia no omo ye e kan obi no omo de omo bank kan so me second phase of preseason na o kan list ne ho a yere ho ne konkoden na enye se wa bank kan nti na kire se team a ye de bebo season no automatically wo shembi e wo se wo kire technical team de nti a e wo se sa final list no ye do kan wo na osi akan e de makotoko nti obi an konkoden na omumwa ese ni so ade hu na esi omo board na ni so no players no enso beboa na omo so ani so ade hu na esi players na ni so no omo aboa na omo nyina peja Kotoko edru ba bia wo se edru owie no da technical team na sese omo baaye no wahu adwuma dene a omo de ehye adwuma omo eye ni mu na odo omo asepa obekoso atai omo achi one board ni nyina betai omo achi no ma make sure say ball bia omo bebo bia no omo betumi ahye no omo nim say omo win games ni nyina no omo be peja Kotoko free ba bia omo wo sesei e de omo be si ba bia e wo so bia ehu Asante Kotoko.
Okay,
yeah.
Solomon Kata
boss
ebede wase say William say wachichirim
pa
nti me nana enu anochewa awa brankesi nyame ni o se mo probro sem dodo
we do obeti ase
enu anochewa we dem yeso say obeti ase
we ka twi ne ya na bo ba ku bi ne na mu
Dennis Kondo say I saw Dr. Kwame Benuakon at the back Dr. Kwame Benuakon or a consultant to Asante Kotoko Board no. Nti ono so ni dibia o de ebo Asante Kotoko adwuma abra board we ban so ye consultant to Kotoko Board no kakra wo hono no. Danger mami sha semfu we na miwia makwa kumia so akomia ona mema akwa ba bibia bokode ene de wa kompoto ho kama
se
ene de wa kompoto ho oba wa metwe microphone se chinchina be so kasa ene de wa me introduce kama yese wani nje sa
me hwa komotin fu
okay mate
se de be bakra chese ba betan be be dwam won fa mi amen kasa e ma microphone edin bono ya doso me manu ti
okwa mu bisa o
say I don't know unya striker odu nam kan so nam so nyafe
Danger mami ntie we board chairman Owura James Osei Brown anti
yeah
akasa
me pay ni on se panyini gina wanim no okasa na obi gina wanim no okasa eno wa miensa na ya wohwe one nipa krono ni composure ni body language tonation ena you know on say na obeko strike ni sentence no ni nsam so ne a ebesisi ani so on say me fiwe so na me kuwe so na okuwe so ohwe a ni nyina papa no hyehye no pepepe ohwe ni composure ohwe ni body language no bibia a kire say board no mini business bibia a kire say board no I decide say ade bia eso mo ye makotoko e fane ntuma pafre bia no o me ready so on beye and eno na o ka kire players no say senkanya mre kra e bia nkanya hakra na mo but emre no empo ekoti ayen no ye nya bote hwe wu hwe say ehin na sefata kotoko no say ye sikotoko e koye ko edi ho kokra ba bi no asiesie ne ho ade ama season na eba no ehin na sefata ye tu ye ni na ha na sefata boss say enra ana obi a onim bia ho no de bia dance say bia say udu ye do koto ho no ma na ye do akoto yi except fata like obi akọ nya hokọ di da ko na me nukura wo hono mo a utumi so onye ba bia dodo ho pa enti when it come to say bia ya accommodate players now it is one of the best that you can give to them and na de ama wo mo no e ba ni say ya aka say players no ebe reciprocate this gesture and then no na make wa no say the board of Kotoko won't do this na ye bo season na ye se Kotoko bo bisa ada bi omo ye league contender omo ko league no ye say ma wa ye de ko league ye mfa pressure afi na me peto fo mo wura da bi nye sa wenu mu say die oh boss dani bi muni o na be omo bi ne we ndi ene bo wosoro and no ye check na ye na say kabi $150 on
but because omo je hono for a long period mostly no omo ye into this business no more discount kaka
now discount they say
$100 a night discount good discount
and we dey ever say $20 a fiso I would never say $50 square fiso dem $100 a night me kwa de nya isi me de nya sika na omu tua no send the board chairman me hu say nya problem ma wo mo but me hwe kwaya ye fa so a ye de de ma players no say yes I know nyina de ma wo wi a show something on the field of play. Show something on the field of play. We are playing for a football club that is a serial league winner. Won't be number way so where would that also die bonny? I didn't tell my finger ya. I didn't tell my chica 72. I didn't tell my team power.
And Pana Crabbe Massage.
I didn't tell my call ya. Sabia Madame Conso. Bibia come over the baby at now. Bibia will be see the next 2 weeks now on better than holiday. Before say they have been treated very well. Nyame ya wadom na wotisi akopama no so a. Come and demonstrate this. Show that you appreciate this gesture because you're busy cow. And you're busy cow boss. With the environment with swimming pool no. What else must anybody give to you and sana? What should I say? Osu obi bia de ma wo de sumbo bokuo no. Because one of the biggest club in Ghana. Oh, bar with opportunity. First, no, now go for a press. Yanka se maboko to Kotoko. By na wo bono. Yes, I treat you here. Choke you be bia. Ah, now we play now. Just opportunity. We are doing this animal.
But who was winning one on Nimbo?
That is how anybody are. And you want to go far now. I don't know what's them. I don't want some different. Because so go for player. Go for player. Nimbo. You be put our questions. Kotoko no ye mfa players bia sare bia me bobi enti nyese bia wo personal interest bia na se bi sa dey be win players and who know don be we put our questions enti ti asem na board chairman kan no e wo mo said what na kan mo fi kuma sa be dun kan but we think how now that wo ni say next season who can team no justify why you must be part of our team and I tell you it's a good you should the word warning no. Say advice or say suggestion or say whatever it is so maybe all the three put together because it can be an advice, it can be warning, it can be suggestion, whatever. Need not put together no boss. As some can say na panakano say I what the hell mo woju ani ye do ba bibia ni ateni na no pana wo ko awia na wo ko aduane bia bibia ye say ye show matade fefefe kama ho no baby am wey utimi say it's a nice place and any problem but no nchira say wo ka team no ho
because yemfa say head coach Eric Tinkler who coach was South Africa. I sure saying the South African league the cheapest coach we were South Africa league, you know, about $10,000. And Tinkler, one of the top South African coaches. It is a board decided so make coach Bisana ba for Modinaba. Omakofa a former player of Ayas. And yes, Ayas no kotena benchu or Dino Moji trophies. And then the coach Ayo Cruyff.
Yeah.
Recently, a kakakre bi ko disu na mfo ko World Cup.
Yeah.
Ushe ni profile ni CV okura no yakofa na Ednaba director of football. na wo player na ye ma sam panyifu we say
eno mo nya adwuma
adwuma
na asene sua bibi na fa koye bibi
na wonya wadwo so so bo career
and what I say enti eno na be ka wa hanu mo and minianum bi ni me anya agene wa down for Dr. K send message bra me say minya pressure no doc anya pressure Kotoko no aya pressure club umpo Kotoko no pressure club enti say wo ye ready so bo Kotoko I say wo gitu say you are coming to play under pressure because supporters who say yes say demand players na almost say penny for no that team nanim no almost so team esum ni yie na ebre na so no be sha go pramare so ma na ko erade bo me jawajo am sha sa na bia samatas bia bakuma say na samatas bi di 2 days ache Kotoko e de ko na da so te ho mo ya say ni aboy nsam papa ma ya ade da bi obi bia to make sure say Kotoko benya good results dey ni je be san back no e o ma so de e o ma se de from the coach and na wo ka no coach no say South Africa say $10,000 na wo je a we dey emfa say bia e man $10,000 say $10,000 say you will not be paid $10,000 na ya better baba ya say be hebo na o bobo be de chere nobody can wait for you. We don't have that time. You must hit the grounds running. Enti menzo you say na ka tuemu ye your friend is saying tinkler you say mu ye omu nyina mu kwam be de kama we expect that my signs be my ahotoso say afa de say yesu ye boda we say supporters ni mra be nya bibia ba be no mo hwe no so no mo de twinkofo ba wo be say in 2 years time no Kotoko afa baba ya be fiasa aboma
ye ready be si ba for mesa ba osubi